And here she is, the Arrow exhaust. I cannot wait to get this thing on the bike. It's going to be excellent. So let's dive right in, let's have a look, see what's inside. Alright, we've got some clamps. The DB killer. Look at that in a minute. There she is. One exhaust end can. So, let's get it unpackaged, get it laid out, see what she's like. So this is the Arrow Pro Race Titanium end can. Just the one. There you go. Look at that. Absolute beauty. Beautiful welding on the exhaust. Spring mount. Again, really well made. See there. That's straight through. Exhaust logos lasered onto the can. So it's cool. And it's light as anything. Weighs absolutely nothing. Dickers! Let's have a look. See what's in here. So here's everything that was in the box, guys. So you got the bracket there for the exhaust hanger. You got the bracket which allows you to mount the heel plate onto. Nice little engraved, well, cut out A on there, which I think is a nice little touch. You get another clamp, again with the engraved A. This is if you're not going to run the heel plate. You got the adapter ring as well to go on. You got your washers, you got your nuts, bolts, and you got a little spring for clipping the two together. And obviously the main piece, the actual Pro Race Titanium end can. Dickers! The extra that you don't get in the box, this was an extra piece. You got the DB killer. So yeah, just your standard DB killer, screws in there, one screw, you get one little black screw with it, and there's already one in the end, the exhaust as well. Instead of using the standard heel plate, I've got something a little bit better because the 2019 heel plate doesn't fit. Ilmberger carbon heel plate, lovely, lovely piece of kit. It's an eBay find, is 80 quid. Really, really good material, full carbon fibre. I'll put a link in the description below. It's £80, but we'll be using that instead of the standard one because the standard one is massive and doesn't fit. So there you go, guys, the Arrow Pro Race Titanium end can unboxing. Stay tuned right now for the install. Welcome to Install with Inverted Rider. Today we're going to be installing the Arrow Pro Race Titanium on the GSXR1000R. Stock exhaust, ugly, gotta go. Let's get it off. First thing we're going to do, whip off this heat shield, this bolt here, Allen keys, they are 4mm. Let's get to it, let's get them off. First bolt out. There you go. Heat shield is off. Now we won't be using this because this is a 2019 model and this heat shield will not work on the Pro Race Titanium. Next thing we're going to do is loosen off this lower clamp here. It's a 6mm Allen key. Just loosen her off. Loosen off the top bracket there, and then she's ready to be pulled off. 6mm Allen key, 12mm spanner on the back. Jobs are good then. There you go. Loosened off, bolts out. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. He's a bacon. Off. Adapter ring on. Clamp needs to go on. Clamp on. Straight on. You notice I put some gloves on to limit the fingerprint marks on the titanium, because once you start it up you don't want them burning into it, and we'll give it a wipe down beforehand. There you go, Arrow Titanium Pro Race. Next we'll put the bracket on here using the original hardware. So original bolt just goes in, that goes in around the back, wash it back on, bracket goes behind the exhaust like that. And bolt goes in there. No washer on the back. There you go, and everything's just loose at the moment. We'll start tightening stuff down in a minute. So the next thing we want to do is the heel guard bracket. So that sits on there, and there's a ring here. You just push it up tight to there, just nip it up a little bit, just to sort of roughly hold it in place. Clip this spring on, pull everything down nice and tight. Get yourself a spring puller if you haven't got one, it's much easier than using a pair of pliers. There you go, that simple. Spring pulled, clipped into place. Get a few things tightened into place, exhaust's held with a spring where it wants to be, so we'll just snug a few things up. So 13mm spanner on the back, 6mm Allen key. It's a 12mm on the top because it's standard hardware. The hardware at the bottom was the Arrow. If you've seen the unboxing part of this, you'll see this is my Ilmberger carbon heel guard. Don't forget to do up the clamp down the bottom here as well, that the spring's on. Make sure that's nipped up. Make sure everything's nipped up. Here's, boys and girls, Arrow Pro Race Titanium. Little bit of carbon fibre on there as well. Stay tuned for the startup. Thanks for watching everyone, hope you enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to click like and hit subscribe.